All these boys, when I just leave over the wrong come Lagos, they enjoy. Chairman. Wow. Let's shake. Bring him to shake me. Everybody don't do VIP, you don't follow the VIP. Nobody gonna say that you be the driver, wait drive and come. You enjoy. I like the sitting arrangement of this show. You can see the people who use their money buy tickets, and then they hear part of arm robbers. No shit. They can check our show. Go on a rob on man. I want to know the evil men. They are rob on now. I never even enter show. One boy don't look me. They shy. You get red lips, so you look sexy. All of you where they look me for your mind. Here soft. Biarien. How are you? Jesus. If you tell me hi, more waganya. I'll come like a for your mind now, you are telling me hi. I won't blame you now. Tomorrow when you go house, now you start telling your father, I love that boy that used to be misbehave on television. How are you? Come and shake me. Wow. What's your name? Maicon. What's your real name? What's your real name? I mean your native name. Forget. What's your real name? Obonyeneme. Do you know me? My name is Apama. I work in mortuary. Wow. Big most. When they spray money here, me I don't come give. I don't come collect money. I'm a philanthropist. If I give you, you start going. Enter motor, they go house. Chairman, enter motor. They go. My phone there with me. Are they from gate? I don't perform finish. My all of them they go. This work no easy. I did backstage, they talk about Mother's Day. My wife called me and said, honey, won't you celebrate Mother's Day for me? I said, celebrate which Mother's Day? You for ask me if I'm happy with the marriage. I have 2 children. Sorry. I have 2 children. Yes, 2 children. One are my child. The other one, I don't know who born her. My daughter. Now be my own child. Every morning she will wake up, come to me, Daddy, good morning, how are you? But my son, every morning, the guy go to look me, they ask himself, so this man no one die. When they enjoy for Lagos, everything will happen for an opportunity. Not only Owerri. One boy, Free State University, one boy will be course rep, computer science. They cry, they beg person will study religion. Say, religion student, hack Facebook account of computer science student. They shoot gun for where they shoot gun. One guy carry phone, come out, they speak to person for video call. Lodge. Somebody whipped the phone later. I'm in Syria, they are shooting. I might not survive this. I will die. Wow. That time when they hear they shout NSAS. Now for only over a man. Now for over Okigwe Road. Police carry gun. Stop me. They ask me where no carry gun. I was he should be already safe. I say I'm already safe. Nothing. See Lafingas. Now why they look some people? All of you where they suffer say when I won't go school. When I go come, not be for this country. When I go come and come join us. He say na lie. See person, photo. This person study physics. When I did 300 level, I call Lafingas, make him come repair my generator. My generator, if you start up, he go start. But you know they bring lights. Lafingas, I don't charge the gen. Allah abwege, shock. Lafingas. That one, this one. Nothing. They say time no day. I know DJ. You they play, they cash out, people they throw money. You gotta ask yourself whether you don't come to work. Nobody tell you about laptop again. We must not make it. All of us must not make it. So you'll be experiencing our destiny. You'll be experiencing our progress. You know, you there here like 30 you there here like 5 million don't pass here. 2,000 no enter your hand. Man, no they like say we day wicked. I just want to help you. Count them. Now 4, 5 at the outside. Bring them for me. I don't get time.
The worst people in Igbo events are the MCs. This guy where they announce peacefully, if you know you're the owner, if na Igbo event, you go hate announcement. First of all, if na for Abuja in the suite, Abuja, you know even who they make the announcement. You will just hear in voice, big man voice. Sorry, please go to pilot 1 of the Honorable Commissioner on Finance, go and report for the Honorable Commissioner on Education. Because everybody for Abuja na commissioner. Even dog where they carry for motor come na commissioner on dog affairs. When I Port Harcourt people, Ikure people, they like me their name, they plate number. You go here, Ikure make away, I beg the owner of the car with customized registration number. Eze, Omanya number, Omaputama Panamri, Maputako, Mapanoko. One of them there, please go and report for Chief Omotai 32. Often them one will be one was. The owner of the report. Calabar people go not chop dog meat, they don't even see what in the right for the paper. Okay, no see what in the radio, Toro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, make another verse. If you know say now you pack that can I pay for that young son. Your plate number AB528 iyo. I beg go come on that place our come on one pack mokara nang nang. We go and pack. The worst are Enugu people. Enugu men, you know consign them whether you they understand their language. Now one old man go come, they confuse everybody. They shout for MC. MC gonna carry melugu. Gonna carry melugu on the bad what after like but then the announcement then you go. He came in shy all the very bad. He go collect mic. We confuse they look up. He go start. Ladies and gentlemen, you know like MC local or local. Emma long bonye park local where. Number motor go on ENU 55 76 Sankana because I educate a fly but I can't park local the very bad. Everybody go confused. Over people worst, say worst. Anyway, Owerri is a very nice place. Owerri is the only place where I see Ron's girl where we are in Chicago come out. I mean, they wonder, is this a traditional prime minister of Ron's girls? How do you even have a conversation with this guy Ron's girl where we are in Chicago? Maybe na cola you go give him. Then I don't know. Ron's girls they try you. And when they beat them small. Yes, they collect money for this Lagos. Please, if you know any Ron's girl, tell her to meet me. I need to address them during their annual Ron's Girls conference. Yeah, they need to do some things right. They are getting it wrong. I just came back. I came back from Turkey. DBBK, should I proceed, sir? You know, say for abroad, girls they charge money. Do you know what it means? It take money. Naija here, you guys, if you're Ron's girl, I need to give you some ideas. Ron's girls, you guys need to come together and have a union. Wanna produce app. All this, how much for a night? No, you don't need to negotiate. The app go determine. It go be like Taxify. The app name go be Sexify. Yeah, you wanna go see the art very soon now. We are working on it.
Are you a lady? Are you disappointed that men carry you at cheap prices? Are you tired of standing by the road? Download your app today, Sexify.
Men not gonna stress ourselves. We just stay hotel room, book your girl. Your girl arrives in 5 minutes. We go there room, the microwave engine. Come on, get ready to work. If girl reach your room, nobody all this. Okay, let's go out. No, sir, can I start your trip? 2 minutes, men like us, now we gonna enjoy. We'll start trip. And trip, how much? 400. If promo day. If promo day, oh, SS money. If promo day, oh, one another, you people are confused. Just pick out the bundles, I'm sure of them, eh? All these ones where they spray, now M.O.P on. 6 now, 1 now. This one are 2 minutes, man, they do them quick. Nah, joke shot. So, now we're going to enjoy. Then all these 2 hours, men, I don't come quick, behold, you don't know me. Mazin Mike, anyo, no problem. Start trip. Do. End trip 1.2 million. Now that time when you go see men, they negotiate with get. Nah, I don't trust this app. Can we do this thing offline now? Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.